Hello everyone. Welcome to the part 10 on the memory based questions of the CSIR NET July 2026. In this video, I will solve the questions related to the partial differential equation. Myself Dr. Harish Garg, you can follow and subscribe my YouTube channel. The question I had received from the student is related to the Lagrange equation. How you can solve the Lagrange equation? It's a very simple. You can also solve with the help of the Cauchy equation. You can write the Cauchy equations or the Lagrange equation, dx over and so on. Then you can clearly say, if I start from the, because the coefficient of the x, y, z are separate, I can start with the dx over dy. Fine. तो ये क्या रह जाएगा 2z plus y, so it's a minus of y, so if I simply add dz over z, so y and y cancel, 2z, it will be the minus of z, so I can add 2 into dy over y. So clearly say the required denominator will be 0. Therefore I can integrate that. It will be log x z and it's a y square is my constant. Fine. So I can say x z y square is my e की power c1 is another constant. Now it involve all those x, y and z. I can substitute direct value. You will get x and y are same. So that will be x cube is equal to c1. But c1 is always a constant number. पर यहाँ पे constant नहीं आया. So there is no need to find c1. Then आपको एक सेकंड एक्सप्रेशन चाहिए C2 के नाम से. फाइन. तो वो कैसे करें? दोबारा से इस एक्सप्रेशन को देखो. नाउ यू कैन सी इज 2z. Here is a minus z. So I can write as a you can see it's a x 2zx is a 4x square z. If I multiply by first quantity by 2x, you can see it's a 2x dx. तो पहली एक्सप्रेशन क्या बन गई? 2 या 4 x square z plus 2x square y. तो 4x square z माइनस करने के लिए आपको एक प्लस ऑफ z कर दिया, माइनस ऑफ yz और माइनस ऑफ yz, तो इसमें से माइनस आपने dy कर दिया. सो अगेन you can see the denominator will be 0. Now you can integrate them. It's a x square by 2 and 2 cancel, plus z minus y is my another constant. Fine. Now you have the two arbitrary constants. You can write x square plus z minus y is a function of x, y, z square. Now I can substitute the value of the initial condition. Z of x comma x. So x square, z will be 1, y will be x, which is equal to phi of x cube. Find x, y, z square, x, y, z square. So I can taken a is my x cube. तो ये वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी आपकी? a raised to power 2 by 3 plus 1 minus a raised to power 1 over 3, which is equal to phi of a. I can substitute the value in this equation. तो आपकी इक्वेशन क्या बन गई? x square plus z minus y, which is equal to phi of x z y square. So I can substitute x y z square at this point. X y z square power 2 by 3 plus 1 minus x z y square power 1 over 3. Now you can use the initial condition and get the value of alpha. X z is my alpha cube, y is equal to root 8. Fine. It will be x z y square. X z y square is root 8 y square into alpha cube. That will be 8 alpha cube raised to power 2 by is 4 alpha square plus 1 minus is a, it will be 2 alpha cube. So cube will be cancelled out. It's a 2 into alpha. 1 and 1 will be cancelled. Your target is to find alpha cube minus 4 alpha square plus 2 alpha, which is equal to root 8. Root 8 will be 2 root 2 is the right answer of the problem. So you can see that a very simple, by using the Lagrange equation you can find the two values and get the simplest way to solve this problem. कमेंट करके बताइए क्या आपका आंसर भी 2 root 2 आया था कि नहीं आया था. Fine. We will see the next lecture very soon. Till then, you can subscribe my YouTube channels, like and comment on this video as well. Best of luck, students. Happy learning.